Hey, Cal here. Happy Monday, Tigers. Hope you're having a great start to the week.
I'm Angie here bringing you more information about FAFSA applications.
And I'm Stella reporting on sports. And here's the news
you need to know.
Tigers, if you have not yet ordered a yearbook, it's time to order yours now. Head over to the link in the description to purchase it. Do not miss out on this amazing book.
Seniors, FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid, is open. Apply no later than March 1st for priority funding. If you need help, the Student Aid Commission hosts Cash for College workshops to assist families with their FAFSA. Check out the link in the description for more.
Seniors, are you planning to apply to Cuesta? If so, you're in luck. Cuesta enrollment specialists will be visiting senior English classrooms to assist with the fall 2022 application and the scholarship application on February 2nd and 3rd. Remember, all slow HS grads planning on to go to Cuesta College on the Promise Scholarship must apply for FAFSA.
The Chronicles of Yarnia is meeting today at lunch in room 504. Now is your chance to not only learn new skills, but also have a lot of fun. They'll see you there.
Tigers, do you have any spare toiletries laying around? Well, ASB has a solution for you.
Hey Tigers, don't forget to stop by at lunch or in the morning and contribute to our winter toiletry drive. Donations end the 29th, which is this Friday.
Please donate travel-sized toiletries such as shampoo and soaps, and toothbrushes. Everything counts. Other general items will be collected.
You guys can donate anything like new socks, underwear, sleeping bags, and blankets too.
All items can be dropped off in the morning by the big gym or during lunch by the sound system. Just swing by and drop it off in the blue bin. You can support our local homeless shelters with one small donation.
Thanks, Tigers!
Thanks, ASB.
The Student Congress meeting is this Wednesday during period 3. Remember, third period teachers to pick a representative to send to this meeting.
And now to Stella with sports.
How's it going, Tigers? Tomorrow, boys basketball will play Pioneer Valley at home at 3:45, 5, and 6:30. Tomorrow, girls JV basketball will be heading to Templeton to compete against Templeton at 5. Tomorrow, boys soccer will have a home game against Pioneer Valley. JV will start at 4:15 on Taylor Field, and varsity will start at 4:15 on the practice field. Boys JV black soccer will be playing against Pioneer Valley today at 4 in Pioneer Valley. Girls soccer will be playing Atascadero tomorrow at home. JV will be at 6 on Taylor Field, and varsity will be at 6 on the practice field. And girls JV black soccer will be in Paso Robles today at 5:30 against Paso Robles. Now back to Cal and Angie with lunch and history.
Thanks, Stella. For lunch today, we have chicken drumsticks, gourmet grilled cheese, turkey BLT sub, and as always, the local cheese balls.
Today in news history, the Voyager 2 became the first spacecraft to fly by Uranus in 1986. This space probe was launched by NASA in 1977 to study outer planets and interstellar space. Today, Voyager 2 is still exploring space, approximately 12 billion miles away from Earth.
That's like a baker's dozen billion miles. We'll see you tomorrow, Tigers.